Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control center to appear. Next, long tap at the Wi-Fi shortcut. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, you want to choose the network that you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it, and in here you'll find the share icon. And as you can see, the share Wi-Fi page will contain the actual Wi-Fi network password right below the QR code, and well, the QR code itself, which can be used by any another device. Therefore, it can be scanned and get those devices automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.